how to save with transparency on photopea.com. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, this really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. Now, in order to save the video with transparency, you have to make sure to save the video in or video or picture in PNG mode. So you have to go on the file option that will get up above, and then you have to go on export option, export as, and over here you have to go on PNG. Now as you go on export as PNG, now you have to select the quality of the picture that you want, and you can name it whatever, and then you can hit the save button. Now if you wait for some time, it will also show you how the picture will look. If the picture is looking transparent, then it will look transparent. If it is not looking transparent, then you have to go back and again select the PNG format, and it will look as transparent. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. Also, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.